What's good, YouTube? So I had to restart my computer. It was like glitching or whatever, lagging some more. I was saying before I restarted my computer that I wanted to see bullish prices. I don't really see a reason to go bearish right now besides this SMT here, but this is more so my draw on liquidity for NQ. I would prefer to see YM run out London low, NQ run out this low, stay within this gap here, and we get a trade back up to this high. My only concern would be being careful to see if we run out this low on all assets. If we do that, then I want to be aware that we may run out this low on all assets. If we do that, then I'm short, and I will be shortened down to previous day low. So, just a waiting game at the moment. Just a waiting game. Let's call Brandon. See his thoughts. I've been working with Brandon a lot lately, teaching him everything that I know, and he just catching it. He just catching on. He just clicking. Let's see if he answers. He on D&D, so I'm gonna call him twice. Alright, gang. He might be asleep. He work late night. Alright, the way that we moving right now, I'm going to say it doesn't look like we're going to take this low. And if I'm correct, 30, yeah. We cut short. We cut short until the manipulation for buys is put in. To be honest with y'all, I don't want to do that. I don't want to do that. That is working backwards. If London was to play, we'd be looking at like a 1 to 1.5, maybe a 1 to 2, which I believe if we do take London, it'll be YM. Even though YM was strong enough to run this high, I don't see NQ running down there if it doesn't have to. YM is having more volatility, it's having more movement within its candles. Let's see what's cracking. Let me look at something. We could end up moving a little higher right now. This moment is literally just patience, bro. Patience is the name of the game. See, the concepts of gauging order flow, they work even on the 15-second. And honestly, I could use them to get the most sniperist entries, but it feels like a waste of mental capital. So now we're creating an opportunity to be able to go back lower. You know what? Could that have possibly been our opportunity to go higher? Or should I continue waiting for the major? Yeah. YM came so close to it that, like, I want to see that. I want to see this get swept. Opportunity to go lower. What do y'all think if I started live streaming instead? Live streaming my trades instead of recording them. But I do want to get to 100 days. 100 days would be tough. stink. Go ahead, move over there. Why you smell like that? Ew. Ew, that's nasty. It's almost 10 o'clock, but it don't look like we finna get that move, bro. Ugh. We need that, though, in order to do anything. I'm not doing anything without it. Okay, now we could form. Now we may rush down. What? Bro, did I miss something? I did in fact miss something. Oh my gosh, bro. I did in fact miss something. I'm not gonna lie, I saw all these bunched up lows and shit, and I was not trying to look at that shit too hard. No. I was not trying to look at that too hard, bro. This is Asia low versus London low. I still want to see that low get snatched up over here, but it really don't have to. It don't have to happen. Probably shut the hell up, dude. It don't have to happen. If it did happen, though, I would be very, very confident in taking his buy. I mean, it's pretty much gone right now. Patience. I'm about to turn on the Xbox and pull up some live streamers. See what they're talking about. I don't know what's inverse done, but I always think it's interesting to see how they perceive the market. Tell me how you see my language differently. How do you perceive what's going on? it don't really be nobody live for real. Let me try live trading NQ. There we go. Oh. Some people's screens just be looking too complicated for me. I won't watch. Okay, they in buys. Where they stop. Stop right here. They TP right here. And then another one at 250. And he has bubbles on his charts. And people in his comments are saying, I'm not buying unless it goes into the bubble again. So, it's like we ready to leave. Me personally, I don't like this. But on a live account, I'll set a stop here. Because clearly we're going to previous day low, previous day high. This shit is ass. Pure cheeks. I don't use this indicator, but I use the times that are on this indicator. That indicator is the truth. Look like ES already taking it too. ES taking it may cause us to kick back lower. See where YM already snatched it up. May cause us to kick back lower. But we're gonna see, bro. It's 10 o'clock now. And for the evals and shit, it's looking like a no trade day. I'm even getting out on my live account. I'm not touching this, bro. That trade would most likely played out, but I would rather not. It's not my model. How we swooped up this low? We would have put our stop here, and we probably would have cooked up a what? 1 or 2, maybe. Yeah, a little 1 or 2. We'll be deep in the green. But nah. Nah. Boring. Straight boring, bro. The action is gone. I don't like the color of this box. This shit is so buns, bro. I'm good. It's like I know where we going, but it's like we're not getting our low. We're definitely not getting our low. But to be honest with y'all boys, we're probably gonna shoot past previous day high. And we're gonna go to the day before's high. So if I were to take a risk, it would look something like this. It's not even a 1-2, bro. Not even a 1-2, bro. That's buns. And if I was to go like this would be a 1-1, which would be the actual low that I would want to have my stop under. But it is what it is. Is what it is. This is previous week high. Or is this week? No, it's not even previous week high. It's Friday's high. So the next previous day. Yeah, this junk gotta go, bro. Sorry. Oh, sorry, bro, man. I'd be surprised if we get there, though. Actually, I wouldn't really be surprised. YM come sweep this low. I'm all for it. I'm all for it all. But not looking too likely, buddy. Let me see something. This shit's so boring, bro. I'm about to post this on YouTube and nobody's gonna watch it. No, don't blame y'all. It's like once these moves start happening later in the day, I don't even want them no more. I don't even Let me see something. 7:30. Trying to split this into 4 quadrants. So this is 100 and this is 90 bars. So 90 divided by 4, that would be like 20.2, 22.5. $22.5. So we're just gonna round that up. Micro. It's there, but shit ugly, bro. This shit ugly, bro. Shit ugly, bro. 10-15. Usually we didn't caught a move by now. This shit so lame, boy. Best thing we could do if we was desperate is catch a lower time frame SCT and buy it up. But we're not desperate. We're not desperate, we disappointed. We're not desperate, we're disappointed. So trash, bro. I don't even got no words for y'all. This is not entertaining. I'm not even trying to be entertaining. I'm just showing y'all the process. But this is so disappointing. Like, had YM just giving me my low? Or was it? Had YM just giving me my low? We would be about to TP. But I'm a stickler. And nigga, I'm not taking that shit until I am take my shit. So, screw my French. Smaller time frame S&T. Unless we come sweep one of these lows for real on YM, then I'll consider buying. Because it'll be used for a continuation. But I'm going to stick to my motto, bro. I'm going to stick to my modular. She's ridiculous, boy. Ridiculous, boy. What the hell? Taking our time today. Sorry, y'all. This video gonna be over an hour. I try not to make them. Try not to make them like that, but. And the only SMT I want to see, for real, is this. I won't be confident until we get this. Shut up! Come here! My dog listen. Y'all dogs don't be listening, bro. You need to get y'all dogs under control. Come here, mom. She stopped to grab a bite to eat real quick, but she gonna come over here afterwards. I don't even gotta say that. Cause she remember what I just said. She a beast. Yeah, focus up. I think once NQ runs this high, we're gonna jet up. Because this SMT, little baby SMT, is holding us. Sitting on the end, sitting on my paper case. 300 points possibly on the menu. Whenever NQ decides to run this. We are fucking with people right now. Shut up. Or get out. Either one, it don't matter. I'll probably be like, yo, stop being mean to your dog, bro. Me and my dog is best friends, bro. She talked to me crazy, and I talk to her crazy. Believe me when I say that. This dog make facial expressions, make different noises when she bark, like she know what she doing. She be disrespectful sometimes. Plus, she know when I'm telling her shut up. Y'all think I'm sounding mean. She know that's not me being mean. I'm wondering. This about to send us higher. I think once NQ breaks out of this, we're gonna start moving fast. Let's see. I'm about to buy on the live account. If I start seeing some volatility above this, we'll put my stop below here. I bought. I bought on the live account. I'm getting tired of sitting here, bro. I want to be aware of, like, if the value gaps we haven't reached yet. So I'll be targeting this one. How do you funky, my boy? That's cool. Oh, 1 to 2. Yep, higher. That's what that candle tells me. A little injection of volatility, a wick down. We sweep the low of the last 1 minute candle on NQ and ES. Don't on YM. I say high prices are coming soon. And when they come, they'll come quickly. If I'm wrong, lower price is going to come quickly. Mitigate the wick. I believe this is a PSP as well. No, it's not. Do you see what I see, or do you see fear? Move this over. Do you see what I see, or do you see fear? If we get stopped, it is what it is. So protect that low. If we go lower, then I'm assuming that we're going to go lower. If we hold it, I'm assuming we're going to take previous day high. Like I said, speed either way. Zoom out a little bit. You still in it, bro. That low is a stop loss. Move this out the way. Do you see fear on me at all? We in drawdown. You can't smell that shit on me. I want to see how we react to this bearish candle wick. The one that we're pulling into right now. I'm reacting off of. I really don't need these lines and shit, bro. I just put them there so y'all can pick up certain things without me actually teaching it. We close above this candle is higher. We'll pull back into the candle wick. We should go even higher. This isn't precision. I don't know what it is. Especially this trade play out, bro. This ain't precision. I don't know what it is, bro. Like I said, it's not about the entry. It's about having the right stop loss. Do you know how many times I backtest and I see a trade do this? On days where the market wants to monger up fear. I wonder if that was a proper sentence. Correct grammar. It'll do this though on days like that. But as long as you got the right stop and the right asset, it should respect your stop. I'm watching ZcTradez, you know, the chick that ICT reposted. She hasn't touched anything either. She wants to though. I want to see how we react to this wick. This one. The only thing is this is a consolidation. So if these lows get swept, another SMT may be created in order to make us go higher. If we were to go higher, then sell side would get swept, which means that our stop will most likely be taken out. But I'm still not getting out. If it happens, it happens. Because it doesn't have to happen. Bro, if I was in this trade a year ago, I would low-key be tweaking out inside. I wouldn't let y'all show it, but I wouldn't show it to y'all, but I would low-key be tweaking out inside. But I've seen these things enough times to know, like, all right, if I get stopped out today, I'm gonna cook tomorrow. And today was a ass cheek day. We would have been in buys had YM taken that low, but the fact that YM didn't take that low signified low probability for today.